you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to show you some products that are from Amazon that I was sent to for review. And one of them, I think probably both of them, are going to be amazing Christmas gifts. So if you want to see what this is about, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, I had this company reach out to me and they asked if I'd be willing to review their product. That's this thing right here. And it looked so amazing. I'm like, hell yeah, I would love to see what that looks like. So I'm gonna show you this. This looks like it would be an amazing Christmas idea. So let's see. And then they also sent me something in here to show you guys as well. So let's go ahead and see what we're going to be getting ourselves into. This is a moonlight. The moon represents my heart. And there's the packaging. So it looks like we're probably gonna need to put something together maybe. And that is the moon lighting. Let's see what's in here. So let's open this up and, ooh, alrighty. So that's what it looks like when you open her up. Let's get everything out. Let's see if we have to, I guess we need to put something together because here are pieces. And then we can see how easy this is. We can see how it works. There's actually a remote. And here is the star of the show. That is gorgeous. I will link everything down below so you guys can, and it's on. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me turn it off for a second. Ooh, whoa. And did you see it went a darker color? Hold on. Let's see this for a second. Are you gonna change back to a darker color again? Because that was awesome. Let's see. Now it's gonna make a liar out of me. Did you see it? Right before I hit off, like it turned to a darker color. Now it's not even turning. What in the serious? What in the world? What in the world? You turned a different color. It does. That is gorgeous. Holy moly, that is gorgeous. Let's see. Look at this. Look at this blue. It's turning the whole thing blue. I'm gonna have, okay, there we go. There we go, yo. Now we went red. Wait, what'd you stop for? Keep going. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. It went green. Look. This is gorgeous. I love this. Oh my gosh, this would be an amazing nightlight for your kids too. I'm almost 40 years old and I want this as my nightlight. Oh my gosh. And with this remote, you can remotely turn it on and off. So even if you have like your child's using it as a nightlight, all you have to do is hit on and off. And you can control it by this. And then you can tell if you wanted to just, let's just say hypothetically on, you want to stay with like an orange color. You can stay with the orange. Yellow. Does yellow turn? Red, green, blue. So you can stick with an individual color, or you can just have it flash, or there's even a strobe. There's a fade. And there's a smooth operator. This is gorgeous, you guys. Oh my goodness. Or you could just do white. And it just makes the natural colors of the ball. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do this in the dark so we can see how it really looks like in person. But that is awesome. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. It's like a galaxy. And if you guys know, I'm all about galaxies because of my new tattoo. I love galaxies and moons and stars, and this is just beautiful. And again, I'm going to link them down below so you can definitely check them out. But let's see how we put this. Let's see how we put this together. Because I don't have any instruction. Oh wait, maybe that's what this is. No, this says thank you. Any problems or concerns, contact us. So I don't know how this little thing goes together. Let's see. I'm gonna follow that diagram, I guess. Got it. Okay. So I guess I don't need instructions. You just make it kind of like this. And then this sits like this on the ground or on the table, and then this goes like that. So you have, watch. That is so, oh my gosh, it looks like I have a crystal ball. Would you like me to tell your fortune? This is beautiful. So when you have it on there, that's how it sits. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. There we go. Now we're on. You're going to come into wealth and be happy. This is beautiful. And then that's how it would sit, just like that. So, and it does come with a USB to charge, but it's already charged. This is beautiful. I'm gonna take this into dark light so we can see its full potential. Okay, you guys, so that is how this looks in dark time, full effect. This thing is so cool. I'm not even making this up. I love this thing, and I love the fact that it's a rechargeable, so you don't even have to keep it plugged in. And I love the fact that it has a remote. So you can turn it on and off remotely. You don't even have to pick it up and hit the button. But see right down here, this is where you plug it in. This is the plugging port right here. And then here's an on and off switch. So if you left it to the on position, you can just turn it on and off by the remote. That's actually off. That's on. But it has the remote, and it did have this little plastic protector. So once you pulled it, then it started like using the cell battery. But all you have to do is just pull this out and replace the cell battery that's in there. And I'm sure it's probably like a 2026, it's a 2025. So it's just a normal round battery you can find anywhere to replace it in here when you need it replaced. But this is so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, they did send me something else. You guys, this is just beautiful. This is an amazing Christmas idea, especially if you have little ones. This is really cool for them to put in their room. They can put it on at night, and that's just awesome. I'm glad to have it for myself. So So let's go ahead and see what's in here. I'm gonna leave this right here because this is just so cool. All right, let's see. Oh, that's right. They said they were gonna send me a pair of Christmas socks, and I got 2 pairs of Christmas socks. These are thick. This is 1 pair of socks. These are some thick ass socks. These are nice. Okay, let me open them all the way so we can see what they look like. Sorry for the crinkling. Whoa. Okay, so that's what they look like. They are very thick. Ooh, they have little grippers even on the bottom. And you guys, these are so thick and they're like nicely insulated. I don't know, it's 100% polyester. And they're one size, but look at those. And especially if you live in colder weather areas, these are nice and thick. You can put these on at night with your pajamas and just chill. And wow, these are nice. So they even have these socks too. And again, I will link all the information that I have about them down below so you can check them out. These are amazing Christmas ideas, gift ideas. And these socks are so thick. Like, look how, these are the thickest socks that I have ever had in my hands. Let me just tell you. And those say, ho, ho, ho. And again, these also have the same little tiny little gripper, right, like right there. They have little clear circles for the grippers. Oh my gosh, these are so thick. Especially if you live in colder weather, these would be amazing to keep your feet warm. These are so thick. I've never witnessed a sock this thick before. So they got their socks going on, you guys. So here's 2 different patterns that they do offer. So here's some sock Christmas ideas, and here's this amazing globe. Like, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I am so glad that they sent this to me to review for you guys, because I'm gonna be using this all the time. I'm probably gonna put this on my nightstand, or I'll put it in my living room where everybody can see it. I don't know yet, but with it being cordless, I can move it anytime because it's so portable and you can take it anywhere. And especially like if your kids want to do like a little, if they do like little camping things outside in like a fort or a tent, they could bring this outside with them. If they're sitting outside, laying in the grass, staring at the stars, they can have their own little moon globe with them. This is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. What do you guys think? Have you seen anything like this before? It's like it seems like it would be like a plastic resin. So I don't think that it's going to break. It's definitely not. It's not, it's like a plastic or a resin, but it's not like it's going to break. So at least it's not glass. That's a good thing. But that is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this is like a moon. It's meant to be like a moon, and it has different layers and different textures. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are different textures, different layers. Some are higher, some are lower. This is just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So thank you so much for sending me this to review. Thank you for sending me these thick socks to show my viewers as well. These are the thickest socks that I've ever seen and felt. I've never felt a sock this thick before, you guys. So those are amazing. This is just absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I have this. Thank you so much again. Thank you for sending this to me. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys comment down below. Let me know what you think of this. I love this. Just remember, Christmas, birthdays, anytime, this is so cool. I love this thing. All right, you guys, that is everything that I have for you today. Please comment down below. Let me know what you thought about either item. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.